Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study climate data. First, identify credible sources such as National Meteorological Services or international climate organizations. These provide robust, peer-reviewed information. Next, familiarize yourself with the various types of data, including temperature, precipitation, and sea level measurements. Understanding these foundational elements is crucial for accurate analysis and drawing informed conclusions about climate patterns. Once you know your sources, access their online databases. Many offer user-friendly interfaces to download raw data or view interactive charts. Pay close attention to the timescales involved. Climate studies typically require decades of data, not just a few years. Look for consistent methodologies across different datasets to ensure comparability. This step is vital for building a comprehensive understanding. With your data in hand, begin analyzing the trends. Use statistical tools to identify patterns, anomalies, and rates of change. For example, you might compare average temperatures from one decade to the next, or analyze shifts in extreme weather event frequency. Always consider potential confounding factors and strive for a holistic view of the climate system's complexities. Finally, synthesize your findings to draw well-supported conclusions. Remember that climate science involves inherent uncertainties, so acknowledge the limitations of your data and models. Continuously seek out new research and perspectives to refine your understanding. For more helpful resources and great deals, including those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, please check the description below this video. Your ongoing engagement is key to understanding our changing planet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.